The city of Misrata has been more frequently mentioned in relation to trade and business for quite some time, and as you enter the city, you will almost immediately notice how its inhabitants are occupied with all sorts of business activities. In addition, it has embraced a number of industrial enterprises that contribute to support the commercial aspect of the city's life, including the Libyan Company for Iron and Steel and the Free Trade Zone. Alnaseem Factory for ice cream and dairy products is one of the most significant institutions that have recently emerged to play a vital role in the business and commercial life of the city of Misrata and further contribute to its unique position. The factory was founded in 1994, and in 2005 its activities expanded considerably into its current form, occupying an estimated area of 7 hectares off the heavy transport road that links the highway with the port area, kilometer 6 in Misrata. Probably the first thing that draws your attention as you walk into the establishment is the attention to health and safety, where workers are required to wear special clothing and masks before entering the factory as the production process takes place. They are also required to pass through the disinfection barrier to ensure that the highest level of health and safety are observed. As for the machines, they are cleaned and sterilized by a fully automated CIP system, which operates automatically in a timely manner to clean any of the tanks, machines or equipment used in the production process. Let's begin the tour from the first process leading to production of dairy products, that is, mixing of the material and ingredients involved in the process. These mixed ingredients are then transferred to the pasteurization line, where the operations of heating, cooling and homogenizing take place. Finally, the product is sent to specific reception reservoirs, whether as fermented milk or yogurt, for inline processing and packaging. Production of fermented milk. As pasteurized milk reaches the special tanks affiliated with fermented milk, the bacteria starter is added in sterilized conditions as the process is monitored till the end of the incubation process. It is then packed in paper containers of different sizes and kept in cooling rooms till the necessary tests are carried out prior to marketing. Our high production capacity is aimed at fulfilling the growing market demand for this product. As for drinkable yogurt, the bacterial starter is added to the pasteurized milk in special tanks and left for a period of time to ensure the completion of the incubation process. It is then packed in paper containers of different sizes using a sophisticated packing machine, which shapes and seals containers in various forms with high precision. product is then stored in cool conditions for quality control and marketing. As for yogurt, it is filled and packed automatically using a sophisticated packing machine which manufactures and seals containers with high production capacity and precision. All these steps are monitored through a special control screen showing all parts of the machine during different stages of production. Also, in order to meet the needs and demands of the domestic market, the factory has been further equipped with a modern production line for fruit yogurt with fruit bits to ensure a variety of products are available to consumers. All types of yogurt products are then transferred to a special incubator room for storage at a certain temperature for a specific time. After which are subjected to rapid cooling prior to the final cooling stage and testing. To ensure the highest level of quality standards, the factory is equipped with 2 laboratories, one for testing and analyzing ingredients used in the production process, and the other for microbiological analysis of final products. Final products will not be released to the market unless they are issued with a health and safety certificate from the Department of Quality Assurance. Turning to Alnaseem's ice cream industry that has been developed and modernized with the establishment of biscuit cones production lines to self-sustain the ice cream production. The first steps of production start with the stage of pasteurization, which is carried out in large special reservoirs, moving components through special pipes to reception reservoirs in which different flavors are added, to be then ready for distribution to packing machines through the control panel. The material is then sent to the ice cream manufacturing machines of various kinds. First, those that depend on biscuit cones to be packed, adding the necessary material by entering through a cooling tunnel to finalize and package the product in special boxes. As for other types of ice cream, they are made in a different way depending on the shape and type of material involved, using modern and sophisticated machines that operate smoothly with consistent high performance. The final product is then stored frozen in preparation for marketing and distribution using a large number of refrigerated trucks that sweep all parts of Libya. Our products are also marketed in neighboring Arab countries as evidence of their quality and competitiveness. On the same site, a number of support units were established for assistance that are indispensable in the operation of machinery and production equipment, such as electricity networks and steam and air injection systems, in addition to a modern station for a water purification, with estimated capacity at hundreds of cubic meters per day. Alnaseem factory has seen a number of developments since its beginning, a product of continuing pursuit for development and modernization by its management team, entirely dependent on its young qualified Libyan staff to run the wheel of production, in addition to the factory's eagerness to implement a variety of training programs at home and abroad in the areas of administrative and specialized technical aspects to raise performance levels. All this has made this industrial institution a focus of attention of visitors who find the experience welcoming and enriching. Perhaps the most important thing to be said here is that the steady development of Alnaseem factory products, witnessed since its inception, reflects the fact that excellence and success in all aspects of life is due to taking confident, progressive steps to reach the top with a firm certainty that achieving objectives is not impossible.